OPPO X 2021 Slider Smartphone. Buy for alluring design and display feature, enormous 8GB RAM teamed with satisfactory processor, huge inbuilt memory, standard battery with fast charging. Beware of non-expandable memory, supports only one SIM. Verdict: OPPO X 2021 is the first rollable smartphone from the brand that can also be used as a tablet as per users' requirements. You can enjoy a stunning visual experience, capture quality images and perform other functions as well. However, its non-expandable storage and a single SIM slot are a massive turn-off considering the price range of the particular. First hybrid smartphone tablet from OPPO. Display and camera. OPPO X 2021 flaunts a massive OLED screen having a size of 7.4 inch. The smartphone exhibits a bezel-less display featuring an enriched pixel density of 474p. The device portrays a screen resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels, offering a stunning visual experience. The smartphone is offered with a triple camera setup on its rear side having a 64MP primary camera accompanied by a 16MP lens and 12MP lenses that can shoot capacitive images with optimum clarity. The smartphone is also equipped with a single 16MP selfie shooter on the front. Configuration and battery. OPPO X 2021 is presented with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset teamed up with an enormous 8GB RAM that produces lag-free outputs. The device is powered by an octa-core Creo 585, single-core, tri-core and quad-core processor setup that functions at a speed of 2.84 GHz, 2.42 GHz and a 1.8 GHz respectively. There is an Adreno 650 GPU to serve the graphical requirements. The device is packed with a standard 4,000 mAh power source which is non-replaceable in nature. The Li-ion type battery is compatible with 45 watts fast charging technology. Storage and connectivity. OPPO X 2021 is provided with a restricted internal memory of 256 GB. The device supports a 4G VoLTE connection. You will also get access to other alluring properties like Wi-Fi, latest v5.1 Bluetooth, a GPS with GLONASS, mobile hotspot, USB Type-C, NFC. OPPO X 2021 price and market is expected to be 135,000 rupees. OPPO X 2021 expected to be launched on February 24, 2021. This is 8GB RAM, 256GB internal storage base variant of OPPO X 2021 which is expected to available in black, gold color. For more updates subscribe to Tech News and share this video.